Here is a quick review tutorial on for Moosend. Well, first thing, email marketing for Moosend. Before we get into it, how or what is email marketing? Well, email marketing is far from obsolete. It's one of the most powerful digital marketing channels today. Despite the rise of social media and SEO, email continues to deliver exceptional ROI with $42 earned for every dollar spent. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a powerful tool for informing, educating, and persuading your audience to take action. It includes newsletters, promotional emails, transactional messages, and company announcements as well. How does email marketing exactly work? Well, email marketing is a highly effective digital strategy that's easy to learn and automate, making it accessible for beginners to quickly master and achieve success. Now, an email service provider (ESP). One of these is Moosend. Now, an ESP is software that helps you create, send, and manage email campaigns effectively. It offers tools to segment your audience, personalize content, and analyze performance, making engaging with subscribers and achieving your marketing goals easier. Well, within ESP, you can also set up automated email campaigns triggered by your audience behavior, ensuring timely and relevant examples. So, this is what you can use Moosend for email marketing for. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.